Hello, I'm Brian Nesson from How To Automotive. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change out the batteries on your Jeep Grand Cherokee's key fob, especially if it looks like this one right here. So first thing you're going to need to do is get yourself some batteries. This is the 2032 Energizer batteries. I will leave links for it in the description of the video. Also, a little image may pop up on the screen. You can click that image there and you can grab yourself some batteries. Now we're going to jump into how to change it out. Okay, to change out the batteries on your key fob is pretty simple. On the back side here, there's a little switch. You're going to pull the switch to the left and pull the manual key out. Now inside, you're going to see the slot where you took it out, and then the second slot here, you're going to put the key in there and give it a twist like that, and now you can pop this apart like that. Now you can take your key and come in here on the side and pop the battery out. Now you're going to take your new battery and you're going to put it in. So there's a flat side and the side is kind of beveled. You want the bevel side facing up, the flat side facing down. Kind of press it in like so. Now you can take your key fob and smash them back together like this. And you're ready to go. There's no programming or anything needed. Now you can just go to your vehicle, unlock, lock, and start. Now you can operate your locks like normal.